If you need to contact itch.io, this video will show you exactly how to email them in a quick and simple way. Whether you have a payment issue, a game upload problem, an account question, or you just need help from support, sending a clear email is one of the easiest ways to get assistance. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your email app or email website, whichever one you normally use. This could be Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or anything else you prefer. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button and click it to start a new message. In the recipient field, type support@itch.io. That is the email address you want to send your message to. Make sure you spell it correctly so your email goes to the right place. Next, add a subject line that clearly explains your issue. A good subject helps the support team understand what your email is about before they even open it. For example, you could write something like account access issue, payment question, or trouble uploading a file. Keep it short, but make it specific. After that, move into the body of the email and write your message clearly. Start by briefly introducing yourself and explaining what you need help with. Then include the important details, like your username, the email connected to your account, the game or project name if relevant, and exactly what happened. The more clear and organized your message is, the easier it will be for the support team to help you. If you have screenshots, error messages, receipts, or any other helpful files, attach them to the email before sending. These can make it much easier for itch.io support to understand the problem and respond faster. Once everything looks good, review your email one more time. Double-check the recipient address, make sure your subject makes sense, and confirm that your message includes the key details. When you're ready, click Send. After that, all you need to do is wait for a reply from the itch.io support team. Response times can vary depending on how busy they are, so give them some time to get back to you. If you don't see a response right away, keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder just in case. And that's it. Now you know how to email itch.io the right way. A clear subject, a detailed message, and any useful attachments can make a big difference when you're asking for help. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.